Welcome back, logical statisticians. In today's video, we're going to understand what is statistics. We'll discuss its definition in detail, explore the four main pillars of statistics, and see how statistics helps us make better decisions using real-life data. So, let's get started. What is statistics? Statistics is the branch of science that deals with the collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. It also helps us make inferences about a population by using sample data. In simple words, statistics helps us convert raw numbers into meaningful information, enabling us to make better decisions. Now, let's understand the four pillars of statistics. 1. Collection of data. The first step is collecting information from different sources. For example, if a teacher wants to calculate the average marks of a class, the first step is to collect the marks of all the students. 2. Presentation of data. After collecting the data, we organize it in a meaningful way using tables, charts, or graphs. This makes the information easier to understand at a glance. 3. Analysis of data. The next step is analysis. Here, we calculate measures such as the mean, median, and mode to identify patterns and trends in the data. 4. Interpretation of data. Finally, we interpret the results and draw conclusions. For example, after analyzing the students' marks, we may conclude whether the overall class performance is excellent, average, or needs improvement. Statistics also helps us make conclusions about a large population by studying only a small sample. For example, instead of asking every citizen in a country about their favorite social media app, we can survey a small group of people. If the sample is selected properly, the results can represent the entire population. Conclusion. So, remember, statistics is the science of collecting, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting data. These are known as the four pillars of statistics, and together they help us understand information and make informed decisions. That's all for today's video. Fun fact, every time you check the weather forecast, election results, sports rankings, or even YouTube analytics, you're actually using statistics without realizing it. Remember, every number tells a story, and statistics helps us understand it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.